So if you are a junior dev in 2026, you have seen this email. Founders are sending it because they did the math. Junior dev unemployment in the US 6.1% this quarter. National average is 4.3. 52,000 tech layoffs in Q1, up 40% year over year. 22 to 25 year old developer employment down 20% from late 2022. I talked to 12 founders this month. All 12 said the same sentence: I can't justify hiring a junior anymore. I'll just use Claude Code. The 2022 version of the junior job died. The 2026 version exists. We are going to build the project that gets you the 2026 version in under 10 minutes. Let's go. Why is the application dying before it's opened? The average junior portfolio in 2026 has 3 projects: a React to-do app, a Twitter or Netflix clone, an e-commerce build from a YouTube tutorial. Claude Code builds all of 3 of those end to end in under 30 minutes. I think I said more, but it can create in under 30 minutes. Every founder knows this. They have a Claude Code subscription. Your portfolio is no longer proof you can build. It's proof you can prompt. And if you went hard into vibe coding, it's worse. AI co-authored code without human review has 1.7 times more major issues, 2.74 times more security vulnerabilities. 63% of devs in the latest survey say debugging AI output takes longer than just writing it. The hiring manager isn't impressed by your AI portfolio. They are worried about what your production code would look like. The question isn't, can you ship? Everyone can ship now. The question is, can you ship something that doesn't break in production? That's the gap. That's the project. The project, an AI agent evaluation pipeline. Gartner forecasts last month 40% of agentic AI projects will be scrapped by 2027. Why? Because 96% of enterprises are running agents in production and almost none of them are evaluating those agents properly. They ship prompts blind, the agent fails silently, leaks money, makes wrong decisions, nobody catches it. Every AI forward company has this problem. They will pay for someone who can solve it. This project proves 3 things AI cannot yet do for itself. 1. You understand the orchestration layer, how agents call tools, how they fail. 2. You can design measurement, golden datasets, regression tests for non-deterministic systems. 3. You can ship to production, CI integration, dashboards, alerts when quality drops. Ship this, explain it on a 30-minute call. You are not a junior anymore, you are an AI engineer with a portfolio. The agent reviews code on pull requests. Pick code review because every company on earth has PR overhead. That's universal pain. Stack, Next.js dashboard, Anthropic API for the agent and the judge. Postgres on Neon for storing eval runs. GitHub Actions for the CI hook. Vercel for the deployment. And it's all free tier, under $5 a month to run. The flow, PR comes in, agent reviews using 3 whitelisted tools, judge scores the review, the score lands in Postgres, dashboard surfaces, regressions over time, 4 parts. Step 1, the agent. Mistake most juniors make. They give the agent too much freedom. Review this PR, do whatever you need. That's a hallucination factory. The agent invents tools, claims it ran tests, but it didn't, hallucinates files. Fix, constrained tool surface. 3 tools. 1, fetch PR diff. Read only, returns the file, changes must be called first. 2, run linter, ESLint on the changed files, structured JSON. 3, post comment, posts the final review, single call and no retries. The thing that makes this senior level the response schema: your agent doesn't run free-form text. It returns a typed object, severity, file, line range, suggestion, confidence score. That schema is the API contract between the agent and the rest of your pipeline. Without it, every downstream step breaks. 80 lines of code, 3 cents per PR review. Step 1 done. Now the part that actually impresses the hiring manager. Step 2, the golden dataset. Most underrated step in the entire AI engineering stack. Almost no junior portfolio has one. Build this, you stand out. 20 hand curated examples of here is the input, here is what the agent should do, here is the criteria for whether it did correctly. 5 rows where the PR has a real bug, 5 where the PR is fine and the agent should approve, 5 edge cases, empty PRs, huge PRs, unknown language PRs, and 5 hallucination traps, PRs that reference files and that doesn't, to see if the agent invents context. Each row has an input, an expected verdict, expected findings, and 3 pass criteria. Did the agent identify the line? Did it suggest a valid fix? Did it say grounded, no phantom files? Check it into the repo. This is your test suite. Without it, you have no idea if a prompt change improved the agent or broke it. The fact that you built a golden dataset on a portfolio project will pass 80% of AI engineer interviews on its own. Most senior engineers haven't done this. Step 3. The judge. You have an agent, you have a dataset, you need to score the agent automatically. You are not reading 20 PR reviews by hand every time you tweak a prompt. That defeats the point. Use a second LLM as the judge. Cheap, fast, auditable when constrained. The judge takes 3 inputs: the PR def, the agent's output, the expected output from your golden dataset. Returns scores on 3 axes: correctness, helpfulness, hallucination resistance. Mistake to avoid. Don't ask the judge, is this good? Vague question, garbage answer. Ask specific things. Did the agent identify the bug at line 42 of payments.ts? Yes or no. Did the agent reference any file not present in the def? List them. Is the suggested fix syntactically valid? TypeScript. Specific, auditable, repeatable. Run the judge on the full dataset. Every time you change the agent, you now have a metric. Last commit, agent scored 7.2. This commit 7.5. Improvement is real. That's senior engineer language. Hiring managers eat that up. Step 4. Ship it. A GitHub action runs the full eval suite on every commit. 20 PRs through the agent, scored by the judge, written to Postgres, 2 minutes, 15 cents per run. Then lastly, next year's dashboard, 3 metrics over time: average score, pass rate, hallucination rate, and a regressions panel flagging any golden row where the score dropped 2 points or more from the previous run. That regression alert is the entire reason you built this. Now when you change a prompt, you don't just feel like it got better, you know. And if it got worse on one specific case, you see it in the dashboard before you ship. 11 hours total if you have never done it before, 3 if you have. Last section, building it is half the work, the other half is making sure a hiring manager actually sees it. 3 artifacts: readme, cold email, share strategy. Readme pattern: first line, built X to solve Y. Here are the numbers. For us, AI Agent Eval pipeline that scores code review agents across 20 golden cases. Catches the regressions in under 2 minutes. $5 monthly run costs. 3 sentences. Then a dashboard screenshot, architecture diagram. Install. That's it. No about me, no emoji stack. The numbers are the personality. Cold email, 2 paragraphs. 1. I noticed your team is hiring for an AI engineer role and shipping agents to production. I built a working agent eval pipeline this month that catches hallucination, regressions in CI, repo link, live demo link. 2. Curious how your team evaluates production agents. Happy to share the gotchas I hit. 20 minutes if useful. Calendar link below. That's the entire email. 1 specific signal you understand their pain. 1 ask lower commitment than a job interview. Reply rates jump from 1% to 15%. Where to share? 3 places. Tuesday morning US time. Show HN. Machine learning and export. Tweet a viral agent post with I built the eval layer most teams skip. Tag 2 AI engineers you respect. Don't beg, just ship. Bottom line, the 2026 junior job isn't the 2022 junior job. The bar moved up. The bar is, can you reason about AI systems, not just use them. Next week, same tier down for mid-level engineers who suddenly feel replaceable. Different project, higher stakes. Subscribe.